to Ride Along with Charles, and part of our video is also put on with our other channel, Van Life and Beyond. And so today I'm doing kind of a separate video, going to be on both locations. And so what's going on today is that I'm talking a little bit about some of the things that we're doing inside the van. You see behind me the two wires sticking out of the wall over there. That's for our lamps that are going over there. And let me flip you around the other side. Don't know if you can see, but I've got up here will be a set of cabinets going in. Those are in the process. Hello, Jones Nursery. Thanks for popping in. And so currently we have a 500 watt inverter on the side over here. That's that black conduit going across there powers my refrigerator. I've got a Hyacinth. Hey, Retta, how are you today? I've got a Hyacinth refrigerator freezer I bought from Lowe's over there. Pulls 1 amp, and that 500 watt inverter is running all the time. My 2200 is being installed right now via this hardwire going into my breaker box, and that will take and power the rest of the house. We got a DC-DC converter here. Hey, I'm glad you're doing real good. I really appreciate you hanging out, watching what's going on today. Nice seeing you there, Retta. This DC to DC battery charger, once connected in the next day or so, will be running off of the vehicle battery to charge up the 4 lithium batteries that are sitting here. And well, let me turn this thing off. And then so that I get that, keep those charged up when I'm in a. You see what the sun looks like today? Nothing, zero. And so that will help keep us charged up when we travel around from place to place. Anyway, that's going on over there. A little fuse box there to handle the lights that are above in the house. You see I got a couple more up front up there that's not on right now, but those are my entrance lights. And that also covers my 2 DC fans that are max airs that are up top. And plus some other items. My outdoor lights will be running from that. I've got a set of Nightlight switches that will be powered up front. Also, my charge controller is here, and I'm currently at I don't know if you can see it there, a 13.2 volts on my system. And that's, like I was saying, that's running the refrigerator and the lights and my charger for my phone right here. Yeah. Anyway, hey, Retta, I hope you guys and anybody else watching this is having a good time. Again, I just want to make an announcement that we do have our other channel, which is Van Life and Beyond, and sometimes I go in both locations and do videos on both of them at the same time. Some postings on one will actually float over here. But again, really appreciate you guys hanging out, watching, and streaming with me right now. One thing you can do is buy us a cup of coffee. I like coffee. Buy me a cup of coffee to help support the channel. And the way you would do that is go into Van Life and Beyond, watch this live video. Just scroll down to the bottom because you've already seen this one. There's a little bit more content on that one. And you can subscribe to our Patreon channel for the price of a cup of coffee and per month. And that helps support the channel, support us while we're out on the road, supplying you good videos and content all around the country. And it's Patreon, www.patreon.com and / Van Life and Beyond, all one word on there. And that's our channel, Patreon. You can find us also on TikTok, and I believe that's Yogi Van Life 2021. We're also on Instagram as Vanlife_ and beyond. And then, of course, we have our YouTube, our Facebook group channel, Facebook group that is just Vanlife and Beyond. But here's where you're going to get the most information. And we do more videos of private, kind of one-on-one type things, and things for just our Patreons on our Patreon channel that you won't see on here. Okay, so we also have a tip jar. So when you go over to the other channel and look at Vanlife and Beyond, look at that and help us out with a little support one way or another. And really appreciate everybody. Retta, hey, if you're still hanging out there, nice. When we get this thing finished, we definitely want to stop by and see you. And we're going to try to do a meetup at the end of February, beginning of March sometime. We'll announce that probably next week or so on when and where we're going to do a meetup, so everybody can stop by and see our finished work on this van here. Okay? All right, guys. And anybody else that's going to tune in later on, hey, appreciate you very much. Buy me a cup of coffee, and I'll check out with you later. All right, guys. Have a good day. Riding along with Charles, Vanlife and Beyond. All right. Have a good day.